Welcome back to my LS Luxury Auto. The 2026 Chevrolet Silverado Vintage is more than just a truck. It's a rolling time machine that marries old-school design with modern muscle, seamlessly blending the golden era of American pickups with today's high-performance engineering. If you ever dreamed of cruising in a classic Chevy truck from the 70s but don't want to give up the comfort, tech, and power of a modern-day beast, this is the truck you've been waiting for. The Silverado Vintage doesn't just nod to the past, it reaches back, grabs it by the collar, and drags it into the future. At first glance, the Silverado Vintage hits like a punch of nostalgia straight to the chest. Its square body design is a clear homage to the third-generation C/K series trucks from the late 70s and early 80s. That unmistakable blocky front end, with its stacked headlights and bold chrome grille, screams classic Americana. Chevrolet has even included retro badging, steel-look wheels, modern alloys in disguise, and paint options that look like they were ripped straight out of a 1981 dealership brochure. Think two-tone blues, ochre yellows, and the iconic apple red and white combo. But don't be fooled. While it may look like a blast from the past, this truck has some serious 21st century firepower hiding under the hood. The heart of the 2026 Silverado Vintage is what truly separates it from a simple retro remake. Chevy has outfitted this beauty with a 6.6-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine pushing out a thunderous 470 horsepower and 520 pound-feet of torque. It's the kind of raw power that muscle car fanatics dream about, but it's tucked into a workhorse body that's still capable of towing over 13,000 pounds. Mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission, the Silverado Vintage doesn't just growl, it roars down the road with the kind of confidence and swagger that no EV or turbocharged SUV can fake. The exhaust note alone is a symphony of internal combustion that will make purists weep with joy. Despite its throwback looks, the driving experience is firmly rooted in the modern era. Adaptive suspension smooths out rough terrain with ease, while updated steering and braking systems ensure it handles like a far more refined vehicle than its boxy design suggests. There's also an available off-road package, complete with skid plates, locking rear differential, and aggressive all-terrain tires, for those who want their time machine to double as a trail warrior. Whether you're bombing down a dirt road or cruising through downtown, the Vintage brings a level of charisma that's hard to ignore. Step inside the cabin, and the Silverado Vintage continues its masterclass in balancing retro aesthetics with modern technology. The interior design pays tribute to the past with bench seats, simulated woodgrain trim, and analog style gauges, but look closer and you'll find a fully digital instrument cluster, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system seamlessly integrated into the dash. It's a brilliant illusion. Everything looks old school, until you start tapping and swiping. Comfort hasn't been forgotten either. Heated and ventilated seats, dual-zone climate control, a premium Bose audio system, and even massaging front seats are available. And if you're looking for practicality, you'll find a cavernous center console, under-seat storage in the rear, and even USB-C charging ports cleverly disguised to look like cigarette lighters from the 80s. It's this attention to detail that elevates the Vintage from being just a gimmick to something truly special. Chevrolet's gamble with the Silverado Vintage is a bold one. In an era where the industry is sprinting towards EVs, touchscreens, and minimalism, they've gone completely against the grain. But that's exactly why it works. There's a growing segment of drivers who crave personality, who miss the days when trucks looked like trucks and engines made your chest rumble. The Silverado Vintage is for them. It's unapologetically brash, proudly old school in spirit, and yet, it doesn't ask you to sacrifice modern convenience or safety. Speaking of safety, Chevy didn't skimp on the features. Despite its nostalgic vibe, this truck comes equipped with the latest driver assist tech including automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. You may feel like you're driving a 1980s classic, but you're being protected by 2026 level intelligence. The vintage trim isn't just a one-off limited edition either. Chevrolet is offering it as a permanent addition to the Silverado lineup. That shows a serious commitment to celebrating its heritage, and it opens the door for potential future variants. Imagine a square-body Suburban with the same retro treatment, or a Colorado Retro Edition built for compact truck fans. The success of this model could very well kick off a renaissance of retro-inspired design across the truck world. Pricing for the Silverado Vintage starts around $58,000, which positions it above the standard LT but below the fully loaded High Country or ZR2 trims. Given the unique styling, the powerful V8, and the bespoke interior elements, it's a fair deal for what you're getting. It's not trying to be the most efficient, nor the most futuristic. It's about passion, heritage, and emotion. It's for the kind of person who'd rather hear a V8 than a battery hum, who values grit over sleekness, and who wants a truck that stands out without even trying. In a world increasingly obsessed with the next big thing, the 2026 Silverado Vintage dares to look back, and in doing so, it might just be one of the most exciting trucks on the road today. It's more than just a vehicle. It's a celebration of an era, a reminder of where we came from, and a testament to the timeless appeal of American muscle wrapped in a steel and chrome shell. This isn't just retro, it's reborn. And if you're lucky enough to get behind the wheel, you're not just driving a truck, you're driving history, rewritten for today.